The sweet debate: honey versus brown sugar, understanding health implications and benefits. In the ongoing discourse surrounding dietary choices, honey often emerges as a favored alternative to brown sugar, touted for its perceived health advantages. However, while honey does possess certain benefits, the assertion that it is universally healthier than brown sugar requires a nuanced examination. Both sweeteners, despite their different origins and flavors, share common ground in their high carbohydrate content and potential impacts on blood sugar levels. Nutritional profiles and caloric content. Honey typically contains about 21 calories per teaspoon, compared to brown sugar, which has around 15 calories. However, honey's lower calorie density means that it can provide the same level of sweetness with a smaller quantity, making it potentially advantageous for those monitoring caloric intake. Nonetheless, excessive consumption of either sweetener can lead to weight gain and related health issues, including obesity and type 2 diabetes. When it comes to their nutritional profiles, honey has a higher antioxidant content, which may confer additional health benefits. Antioxidants play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. On the other hand, both honey and brown sugar contain negligible amounts of vitamins and minerals, which means that neither should be relied upon as significant sources of nutrition. Glycemic index and weight management. One of the critical factors often highlighted in the honey versus brown sugar debate is the glycemic index (GI). Honey generally has a lower GI than brown sugar, resulting in a less pronounced spike in blood sugar levels. This characteristic can be particularly beneficial for individuals looking to manage their weight or blood glucose levels. When consumed in moderation, honey can be incorporated into a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, potentially reducing cravings and enhancing satiety. For those seeking to leverage honey for weight loss, incorporating it into daily routines can be beneficial. A common recommendation is to mix honey with warm water and lemon in the morning, which may aid in boosting metabolism and fat burning. Additionally, taking a teaspoon of honey before exercising can provide a quick source of energy, promoting more effective workouts and increased calorie burn. Potential risks and considerations. Despite its advantages, honey is not without its drawbacks. Its high sugar content, primarily in the form of glucose and fructose, can contribute to obesity when consumed excessively. Furthermore, the World Health Organization, WHO, warns against giving honey to infants under 12 months due to the risk of infant botulism, a rare but potentially fatal illness. It is also crucial to emphasize the importance of raw honey over processed varieties. Raw honey retains more of its natural nutrients and medicinal properties, which can be diminished in commercially available products that may be adulterated. Medicinal properties of honey. Beyond its role as a sweetener, honey boasts several medicinal properties that contribute to its reputation as a healthful food. Research indicates that honey can serve as an effective cough suppressant, particularly in children. A study published in 2020 highlighted honey's potential as a natural remedy for acute coughs, providing a safer alternative to over-the-counter medications. Moreover, honey's anti-allergic properties have been noted in various studies, suggesting its efficacy in alleviating symptoms associated with allergies. It has also been researched as a complementary therapy for treating locally infected wounds, offering a natural alternative to antibiotics in certain situations. In summary, while honey can be viewed as a healthier sweetener compared to brown sugar due to its lower caloric density and higher antioxidant content, it is essential to consume it in moderation. Both sweeteners can impact blood sugar levels and contribute to weight gain if overconsumed. The choice between honey and brown sugar ultimately hinges on individual health goals, dietary needs, and personal preferences. Incorporating raw honey into a balanced diet can leverage its health benefits, but it should be approached with caution to avoid potential risks. As with any dietary choice, informed moderation is key.